Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy noodles with milk. Start by cooking pasta until just al dente, then warm milk with butter and a pinch of salt. Whisk in grated cheese gradually while keeping heat low, and add reserved pasta water to achieve silky consistency. Finish with fresh cracked pepper and a squeeze of lemon if desired for brightness. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Pick quality milk and cheese to make the sauce shine, and measure pasta so the ratio stays balanced. Warm milk gently with butter, then add cheese in batches, stirring until melted and silky. Keep heat low to avoid separation and reserve pasta water to loosen the sauce as needed. Taste and season with salt, pepper, and optional herbs. This approach keeps the noodles creamy and flavorful without heavy cream. Timing and temperature matter for a silky result, so undercook pasta slightly and finish it in the sauce. Warm the milk slowly and whisk in hot pasta water to raise temperature before adding cheese, which prevents clumping. Use a wide skillet for even coating and toss frequently to emulsify sauce. Adjust thickness with small splashes of pasta water and serve immediately so the noodles stay creamy and not gluey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.